Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial series where we will be learning about ROS together. My name is Utman and I'm very excited to be here and I hope you are too. This will be the first video in this series and today I will cover introduction to ROS, how you can install ROS on your Ubuntu and getting started in general. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First things first, what is ROS? Well, as the name implies, robot operating system is actually not an operating system, but a framework and set of tools that provides functionalities you would expect from an operating system. And it is an open source meta operating system tailored specifically for robotics, but it's not limited to robots alone. So, ROS installation and configuration. Currently, ROS is supported on a few platforms, but the official supported version is on Ubuntu and I think on Debian too. So, how do we install ROS on our Ubuntu? The first thing we have to do is go to our browser and just Google search ROS Wiki, and on the page you click on ROS installation. And for this tutorial series, I will be using the ROS Wiki because it is the official documentation of ROS. So, and we will be installing the latest release. This is the ROS Notice for Ubuntu. So, let's open our terminal. Let's open our terminal. So, first thing to do here is to set up our source list. So, we have to run this code to make our computer accept packages from ROS. So copy the code and paste it in your terminal. Then run it, input your password. Okay. Now the second step is to set up our keys. And before you set up your keys, you have to install Perl. So copy Perl and run it in your terminal. I have code installed already, so I won't bother. So the next step is to set up our keys after installing code. So copy the second line, paste your terminal and run it. Okay, everything seems okay. So the next step is to check if our package is up to date. Run it in your terminal. This will take a while, 3 seconds maybe. Yes. So when this is done, the next step is to install the main thing now is to install ROS. And I will advise you install the full ROS package for the best experience. Okay, we are done with that. So now we install ROS. Okay, and I've already installed ROS on my computer. That is why it's not taking much time. So don't worry if it's taking a while at your end. Everything is absolutely okay. It might take like a few minutes. So you can pause the video and come back when the installation is done. So moving forward, we have to set up our environment. So we must source this script in every bash terminal you use ROS in. So copy the code and run it in the terminal. Okay. The next step is to install dependencies for building packages. But up until this point, we've install all the chorus packages we need. So just go ahead and copy this, run it in your terminal. You should install it. And don't worry if these things are taking a little time at your end. Absolutely okay. So the next step is to initialize the ROS dependency. So we will install that with this line of code. Copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay. The next step is to initialize ROS step. So we run the code one after the other. First one first. Paste. Okay. Then we run the second one. Okay. This should take like a few seconds. Reloading. Okay. And we are done. Yeah, that is how you install ROS on your Ubuntu. So that will be all for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell because I will be dropping new videos every week. For the next video, we'll be talking about how you can set up your ROS environment. Get started playing with ROS. Yeah, so that will be all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.